seriously bent like that. Too late, that's why.
Oh dear.
Yeah.
How the hell are we going to cook dinner? We need an awning.
Yeah,
We
we do.
need the awning.
But the screw holes are on the other end.
Yeah, that doesn't matter because aren't they broken?
Wow, I don't want to put it all together and then find out that just confusing.
Oh, I guess. What is that?
Right, how to repair a king's awning if it rips in the wind. Just got to drill a 10mm hole through there. I think I'll just voice that one over to be honest.
Yep. Hi, puppy. Is it gonna fall out though? Maybe you should bolt it the other way.
I had it in there a minute ago.
Do you want me to hold it?
Yeah, probably easier. It's just because I need what to do with all the spanners.
They're in the glove box. Get it, girl! The concentration on your face.
I bet I look fucking rough as.
Now you look tanned. Tanned king.
Having it?
Nice one. Oh my god.
Hopefully that should be it.
You've done so many things today that have just blown my mind.
So that Gordon Ramsay meme, he goes, "You cease to amaze me." He's like, "Thank you, chef. Thank you, chef." No, you cease to amaze me to how shit you are.
So we're now switching this one over.
I've ended up putting them both on the same
But it's actually a
side.
happy accident
Accidentally.
because the one over here is really fucked at the top from where it broke. So we're going to use the good one over here.
Pliers.
What have you done today to make you feel proud? It's never too late to try. Should we list all the things you've done today that make me proud of you?
Not yet, hang on. I think no.
Number 1, installing the tap. Number 2, making the tap work. Number 3, fixing the leak. Tell the people what you've done. No, you, our video, you tell, you explain.
So just re-drilled a bigger bolt through here. I think it was like a 6mm bolt, and now we put 8 in.
Where'd you get your bolt from?
Robbed it from the garage.
Right.
And then we moved this one up. So hopefully that works now. And then re-bent this back into position because it was bent to fuck.
Language.